Hello everyone, my name is Junai. So welcome to my new project, Credence, a revolutionary blockchain-based platform for decentralized identity and credential verification. So the problem is traditional credential system suffers from fraud, delays, and credential control. Fake certificate cost industries billions annually. So our solution is Credence uses Ethereum smart contract and MetaMask to create an immutable, transparent, and secure credential ecosystem. There are three key roles here. First of all is users receive and manage credential. Second of all is issuers, universities and institutions issuing credential. And third of all is verifiers, employs an organization verifying credential. So why blockchain? Because every credential is cryptographically signed, stored immutable, and instantly verifiable, eliminating fraud and reducing verification time from weeks to seconds. So before going into the demo, I also want to discuss the description about Credence and also the technical approach behind the Credence. So the description about my platform is Credence solves credential verification through a three-tier decentralized ecosystem. The core features is number one, Ethereum-based DITs, decentralized identity management. Second is smart contract storage. This is immutable credential records. And third is MetaMask integration, secure wallet-based authentication. Fourth is real-time notification, instant activity updates. Five is analytic dashboard, comprehensive tracking and statistics. There is total 10 accounts present. Account 0 or 1 means there are total 10 accounts. Means this is actually developed on Hardhat local network, and this is the localhost deployment. So there are total Hardhat network I have taken. 0 and 1 is for authorized issuers. From 2 to 7 is users, and from 8 to 9 is for verifier. Key benefits is actually it helps to eliminate frauds, blockchain verification because it is used with the help of technology blockchain. Second is instant verification. Third is privacy protection because this is cryptographically signed. So in every action you need to cryptographically sign. I will also demonstrate in future. You can see from here. And global accessibility works anywhere with internet connection, and also it is cost efficient. Now going to the technical description, it is made with React and Vite and Tailwind CSS for frontend. Backend is Node.js, Express and Hardhat. Also on blockchain layers also there are total four contract I have written. User registry.sol for user management, issuer registry.sol for issuer permission. Third is verify registry.sol is for verify accounts, and fourth is credential registry for credential storage. The implementation is MetaMask signing, role-based access, and blockchain immutability. Then the workflow is registration, MetaMask connects, and role validations. Actually, it needs means first of all three roles means the issuer, user, and the verifier all first have to need the MetaMask verification. Means the MetaMask registration they need. Then they will issue their own item, sharing also verification, and after the audit. This is the total complete workflow. Now I'll go to the demo, how it actually works. I will show you. So this is the landing page here I have built. So first of all is the issuer will issue some certificate to the user. So the issuer will first of all do the login, connect MetaMask. Let's connect with MetaMask. Then he needs to connect the wallet first. Register as user. After then the MetaMask will open and asking for the transaction means it's need the sign from the issuer. He will confirm it, and it will give them a message that registration successfully happened. Like this, something like it will show you the message. So after registration, registered users here 0 and 1 Hardhat account is for issuer. Means if any other account if number 9 means number 9 is not for actually for issuer, so it is giving me a message that use only account 0 and 1 means only 0 and 1 account from Hardhat is allotted from as a is issuer here. Now going going to the next step, the issuer wants suppose issuer wants to give some credential to any user, so just he have to fill up the form. Means he can just put the user did here. Means the account 2 to 7 I earlier said that is for user. Name the user, suppose Junaid Molla, credential type is university degree, bachelor credential title is BTech in CSE. Suppose it is showing also the current date. Suppose the grade is A plus, and after for issue credential, you have to need to sign the transaction also into MetaMask, and you can see the demo means what you are writing here. It also reflect here. So we are just waiting for opening the MetaMask. So after clicking the issue, the MetaMask will open, and the user the issuer have to sign the transaction like this. So the transaction has showing also the issuer has confirmed the transaction and the credential has been gone to the user. Now issuer also can see that given credential from here, the BTech in CSE Junaid Mullah did also everything he can see. Also, if the user wants, he can also revoke the credential. After how he can revoke the credential, he have to click the review and also revoke, and also there will be the MetaMask pop up, and he have to sign the transaction cryptographically. This is actually verified. So all the action is needs transaction. So here, so what the conclusion from the issuer, so the issuer have to just sign the transaction to do the registration. Only the zero and one number account can register himself as a issuer. Others account cannot register from the Hardhat network. Zero and one also can give the credential to any account from 2 to 7, and also revoke the credential from here. So this is from the issuer page. Now we will move to the user page. So coming to the user page, only 2 to 7 can register as a user. Here is the message also displayed. So suppose the 2 number account wants to register himself as a issuer. Just we are waiting for the MetaMask opening. So yeah, the MetaMask has been opened, and we will just switch to the issuer account. So yeah, the user have to register himself as first. So there is also needs to the MetaMask opening. So you can see the MetaMask opened, and I will just confirm the transaction. Just do for another. Actually, I clicked a lot of time MetaMask, so this is actually a lot of pop-up has been opened. Just cancel. Already registered as user. You can see that after signing the transaction, the account is 2 to 9, any can be the user. So I just take the demo of account 2 as a user. So the number 2 account can see the total credential he received, pending request and verified set. It is actually the real-time data also. You can see. So the number 2 account means the user has a one credential just given by the issuer. So he can see the credential, just he got BTech in CSE university degree, and all the details showing an issuer date, recipient, issue date also. So he can also share this credential. Also, he got a notification that you have received a credential, also showing the real date, means the real time date today. This is actually the user workflow works like this. After that, what things happen in my platform, I will show you. Now, the next job is for verifier. What verifier does? Verifier just have to the registration like to the previous also. Only the 8 and 9 number account can be registered himself as a verifier, others account cannot. So first of all, the verification and register verification means the registration required. So how can he register? Through the dashboard, ask him from, just you have to switch your MetaMask account. So after opening the MetaMask, we will switch to the number uh, 8 or 9. I said it is the 8 number account, although it is showing 11 account. It's a MetaMask number 11 account, but it is the Hardhat 8 number account, so he can register itself as a verified. So let's do the registration process. I will have to click the button. It is taking some moment to do the registration. So after opening the MetaMask, the verifier needs to signing the transaction for getting the registration happened. So after signing the transaction, here's the message came, just you can register as a verifier. That's it. So the verifier, the job is now to ask for the credential to the user. Suppose account two got a very credential, so he will ask account two to share his credential. It will just actually cryptographically signed. So just needs to fill the form for the verifier. Credential type is university degree, and have also any message he can send to the means to the user optional. So ask for credential. He will just click the button and waiting for the MetaMask transaction happened. So after opening the MetaMask, he needs to sign the transaction. Just he will confirm the transaction and the request will go to the user for sharing his credential. Now I will just do simply log out and log into the user, and I will just simply switch to account to user. So after the MetaMask open, I will just switch to the account to the user. Here is user it is. So he can see that already registered that user, so he does not need any registration because he previously did a registration. One net notification came that share credential request. He has gotten a notification for sharing his credential request. How can he share the credential to the verified? Just he needs to copy the unique ID of the credential. He can paste it like this and search, and it will appear like this. And also he needs to fill up the form, means you have to keep the sharer means the verifier did, and just click the share button and it will open the transaction. So after opening it, the user just needs to sign the transaction. Okay, confirm means the credential has been sent to the verifier. Now I will go to the verifier dashboard, login as verifier, and I will just switch to the verifier account. So MetaMask just got opened, and I will switch to the verified account. The 11th number 11 is verified account. So yeah, it is showing already registered. So I do not need to again register for the verified. It is showing the pending, means the pending credential he got. He just have to verify it. Means the verifier have to just verify it. We'll go to the approved credential page. Yeah, it the means the credential which the user actually shared, it is appearing now the verified approved credential page. Means the verifier first asked the credential to the user, and then the user shared to the credential, and after sharing it is appearing to the approved credential page of the verifier. Now the verifier needs to assign the approve or reject. If he will check the all details, and suppose he is approving the credential, how it will work, just he will approve, click approve it, and the MetaMask will open, and he will just confirm the transaction, and credential approved will got the message, and he will do the simply log out. So after log out, we will also log in as user once more, because yeah, this is the user interface, and in the notification the user can say that your credential got approved, means the verifier just verify his credential. So let me give you the quick summary how actually it works. First, then there is the first role of issuer. The issuer will issue some credential to the user. He just have to fill up the form. Yeah, before filling up the form, he have just to do the registration, or it is cryptographically signed. Then after registration, he will have to just fill up the form, and will have to give the credential to the user. Also, giving before giving the credential, he has to just sign the transaction in MetaMask. Also, after giving the credential, he has the option also to revoke the credential of the user. After giving the credential, the user will got the credential. First of all, the user also needs to the needs to the registration. Then after the registration, the user can see the credential he got. After got, the job is going to the verifier. The verifier will search for the credential to the user. He will send a request to share the credential of the user. The user will got a notification that the verifier has been asked. Verifier has asked of his credential. Now the user will just share his credential by signing on the transaction in MetaMask. Then the user credential will go to the verifier page. After verified, the verifier will approve or reject. Then according to the this means the message also will come to the user notification section. Means in every action in my platform you need to sign in cryptographically on MetaMask, so there is no transparent, so there is no tempered or also maintain the transparency. So this is how actually it works. Also, before every registration, you also need to sign the transaction in MetaMask. And in conclusion, I say that Credence represents the future of Credential. Also, it is verification, trust building through blockchain technology, instant verification versus traditional week-long process. Also, it fraud elimination through immutable records and global accessibility with decentralized infrastructure. So the result is the 90% cost reduction and the 99.9% fraud prevention, and also instant global verification. So thank you all for your patience.